Peru also promotes this important issue in various regional forums. Like many environmental problems, plastic pollution is a transboundary issue and cannot be addressed by individual actions alone. In that spirit, as the Minister mentioned, Peru, together with Rwanda and a group of countries, presented a draft resolution aimed at ending plastic pollution, initiating negotiations for a legally binding instrument to address this serious problem. The draft resolution was supported by more than 60 countries from different regions of the world and allowed the adoption during the last resumed session of UNEA 5.2, the resolution ending plastic pollution towards an international legally binding instrument which establishes an international negotiating committee. In Peru's vision, the future legally binding instrument should be as ambitious as possible. This new instrument must be based on a comprehensive approach to prevent and reduce plastic pollution in the environment by promoting a circular economy and addressing the full cycle of plastics from production, consumption, and design to environmentally sound management, prevention, and the treatment of waste. The future treaty must have a cross-cutting approach to the problem of plastics, which also has an impact on climate change, the loss of ecosystem services, and biodiversity. It must also take into account the need of small island countries, such as the elimination of existing plastic in the marine environment. It is also important to ensure a system that involves responsible and sustainable production of plastics, as well as making the general population aware of responsible consumption, taking into account the environmental, social, and economic impacts of this issue. Plastic pollution impacts disproportionately developing countries and socio-economically challenged communities working in informal and cooperative settings.